Hey everyone, welcome back to Legal and Insured, where we make sense of personal finance and legal stuff. Today we're tackling a topic that leaves a lot of people scratching their heads: supplemental and critical illness insurance. By the end of this video, you'll know if these types of insurance are worth considering. First up, let's talk about supplemental health insurance. Imagine your regular health insurance is like a decent car. It gets you from point A to point B most of the time. But what about those unexpected potholes, like a flat tire, or in this case, a sudden illness? That's where supplemental insurance swoops in like roadside assistance. It's designed to cover those costs that your primary health insurance might not fully cover, like co-pays, deductibles, or even lost income if you can't work. Now, just like there are different kinds of cars, there are different types of supplemental insurance. You've got your accident insurance, which covers costs specifically related to accidents. Then there's hospital indemnity insurance, which gives you a fixed amount of money for each day you're hospitalized. And finally, we have critical illness insurance, which is a big one. So big, in fact, that we're going to give it its own chapter. Okay. Let's talk about critical illness insurance. If you're diagnosed with a major illness like cancer, heart attack, or stroke, this type of insurance pays out a lump sum. Even with great health insurance, getting seriously ill can be crazy expensive, and this lump sum can help cover those overwhelming costs. Chapter 4. Lump Sum Payout. Your money, your choice. Imagine getting a scary diagnosis but then receiving a check for, say, $50,000. That's the power of that lump sum payout from critical illness insurance. Need to pay off medical bills, cover your mortgage, or hire help? It's your money to use how you see fit. It's your safety net during a really stressful time. Chapter 5. Pros and cons. Weighing the costs and benefits. Do you actually need supplemental or critical illness insurance? Well, there are pros and cons. It provides a financial safety net, especially if you're living paycheck to paycheck or haven't built up a big emergency fund. It helps cover gaps in your regular health insurance, like high deductibles or co-pays. But the cost is a big drawback. Monthly premiums can add up, especially as you get older. And there's a chance you'll pay those premiums for years and never file a claim. Chapter 6. Real-life example. Sarah's story. Meet Sarah, a healthy 35-year-old who thought she had great health insurance. Then she got a breast cancer diagnosis and faced over $20,000 in out-of-pocket costs. Travel expenses for treatments, lost income, and experimental treatments added up. If Sarah had critical illness insurance, that lump sum payment could have covered those unexpected expenses, allowing her to focus on her health. Outro, is it right for you? Only you can decide. Is supplemental or critical illness insurance right for you? It depends on your circumstances and risk tolerance. If you're living paycheck to paycheck, have a family that depends on your income, or value extra financial protection, it might be worth considering. But if you're financially secure and confident in your current health insurance, it could be an unnecessary expense. Weigh the potential costs and benefits based on your unique situation.